Hey friends, at times you must have noticed a CR download file in the downloads folder of your computer. Now I'll tell you what CR means in CR download. It basically represents the Chromium browser. So people think it's Google Chrome. It's not Google Chrome. It is any browser with the base as Chromium, and it can include Microsoft Edge too. So if you have a CR download file, that means that it's a partially downloaded file. And in that case, you can open the browser once again. If you find the refresh button here, then click on the refresh button and try to download it again. And a lot of times, here's what happens. The file still doesn't download. In that case, you can cancel it and try to re-download that file from the source. For example, if I'm trying to install Valorant, a game, and it doesn't install, it keeps on canceling, then in that case, search for Valorant in the Bing search bar and open Valorant, and then click on play and then click on download, and then try downloading it from the source once again. So when you do that, it must be working, and also make sure that you have a good enough internet connection. So check fast.com and check the internet speed on fast.com. If it isn't good enough and you're trying to download a very heavy file, then please download it from the source once again. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. And if not, then let us know in the comment section of this video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.